Hello everyone, thank you to of you who have clicked on this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. This video tells of Karijini National Park located in the heart of Western Australian Pilbara region. Karijini National Park is the second largest national park in the state of Australia and will take you on a journey through the Earth's 2 billion years of natural history. Descend into ancient cave gorges, scale some of the oldest rock on the planet, paddle in crystal clear waterways, and cool off by swimming under cascading waterfall. Camp under outback sky or enjoy natural luxury in eco-friendly retreat. There is also an excellent network of walking trails. From easy to challenging, wave through some of Australia's most stunning landscape. How to get there? Karijini National Park is located about 1,400 km or 17-hour drive from Perth. Road trip can be an experience in itself, but you can also fly into the town of Paraburdoo of Newman from Perth. Both cities offer a limited number of car rent. For WD, vehicles are recommended if you want to access our area. Alternatively, you can take a bus from Paraburdoo Airport to Tom Price Town, where you can join a day tour to Karijini. Once you enter the park, its landscapes are easily accessible, with waterfall, emerald pools, and gorges starting just outside the parking lot. Bring special walking boots to explore the many options of walking trails from easy to difficult and enjoy the stunning view. Most popular activity and attraction in Karijini National Park: the first, swim in a freshwater pool. Located within Dallas Fjord on the east side of Karijini National Park, you will find the natural swimming pool at Fortescue Falls. From the car park, it will take you about an hour to walk to the waterfall. Tourists can also take a dip in the refreshing fern pool, or take a 2-hour round trip to the Pisquire Circular Pool at the other end of the canyon. Second, stay at an eco-friendly resort. In the heart of Karijini National Park, tourists can find the Karijini Eco Retreat. This paradise, which is owned by the local Gurma Aboriginal Corporation, has a wide range of accommodation options, from campground to luxurious, full equipment eco-friendly tent. The third is to witness an unforgettable sight of the Oxer Lookout. A short drive to Oxer Lookout will reward you with a spectacular view of the intersection of four gorges: Waiano, Red, Hancock, and Joffrey. Many consider the view from Oxford Lookout to be one of the most spectacular sites in Western Australia. This vantage point offers an unique perspective on the enormity and majesty of this region. So, what do you think about this Karijini National Park? Write your comment in the comment column. Thank you for those of you who have watched my video to the end. Share this video with your friend. See you in my next video.